Hey there, it's Mark from Men Who Bullet, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take a digital sketch and turn it into a monthly cover page for your bullet journal. The first thing that I'm going to do is go to one of my sketch pages that I have inside of Procreate, and I'm going to copy whichever image it is that I want to bring over. In this case, it's this really cool chat bubble. I have a brand new A5 size page set up for myself in Procreate, and the first thing I'll do here is go into my Actions button and tap Paste. And I'm going to paste this chat bubble in, and I'm going to resize it really big because this is where I'm going to put the title for that month. I like to use these blank templates and fill them in as I go, and that way I can reuse them and change them as I need to. Once that's in the right spot and about the right size that I want, I'm going to create a new layer because this is where I'm going to add in my calendar for the month. I have my drawing guide turned on, and that way I can use this grid to set that up. The first thing I'll need to do is draw a horizontal line over 7 squares that'll cover me for each day during the week, and then I'm going to go down vertically 6 squares that will leave 1 row for the top for the days of the week, and then 5 rows for different calendar needs as I need to use them, since every month is a little bit different. Next, I'll add in my horizontal lines across the page, and that way I'll make my grid so that I can print this out and fill out the dates as I need to on my own. To make this whole page theme work together, I'm going to create a similar drop shadow that I have on my chat bubble on the bottom and the right hand side of my calendar. So I'll draw out these lines just slightly longer than the length and the width of that chat bubble there, and then I'll take the black color that I have and I'll just fill in each of those shapes. Once that's complete, the next thing I'll do is go in and I'm just going to add in each of the days of the week here. This can be a reusable element that you use across any of your monthly pages that you do. So I'm only going to put Sunday through Saturday here on the top, but I'm not going to fill in any of the dates for myself here. I'd rather bring this into another digital planner, or when I print this out, fill it out myself as I need to. Once those 2 elements are in, now is for all of the fun. What I'm going to do is take that same chat bubble and I'm going to resize it, and I'm just going to put it all over my page. Having the different sizes creates some really fun visual diversity within my page, and in just a little bit I think we'll add some color to this as well. First, let's go ahead and create a new layer, and I'm going to use my monoline brush here with another color that I'm going to pick out, and I'm going to write in the month. Let's go ahead and set this one up for October. Now that I have my month name ready to go, the next step is I'm going to take all of these chat bubbles that I've created and I'm going to merge all of those layers together. And the reason that I'm doing this is because I want to add some color, and it would be really hard to find each one of those on my canvas if I did it that way. When I'm ready to choose some new colors, I'll just pick some new colors out of this palette here, and I'll drag each one of those sparingly throughout the page. I personally don't want to fill in every single color. I actually really like the way this looks just by adding a few pops of color here or there. But if you're creating this for yourself, have fun and make sure you make your own to match your own style. Once you have your page looking good and filled out how you want, now it's time for you to either import this as an image into a digital planner, or you can go ahead and print this out on your home computer and paste it right into your bullet journal. I hope you also enjoy the freebie I included. Happy planning!